So, how do you use the machine? In this video, I'm going to focus on how to use the top part, which is the ultrasonic part in the infrared area. This is the part of the machine that will help with skin firming and tightening up things like your turkey neck. You can use it on your face. In fact, you can use it pretty much anywhere on your body where you might want to tighten the skin, break down cellulite or the appearance of cellulite, and start to help fat mobilize as well. So it's a multi-function part of the machine. It's really important though, because it does emit radio frequency, to understand that in the same way that if you have radio frequency on your tummy, if you're going through pregnancy, there needs to be some sort of conductive agent or conducting agent that connects between the machine and your skin. Now, I've used a couple of different products during this journey. So here, I'm just using a standard lubricant or a gel. You may be able to go to your local chemist and order like an ultrasound gel. That works really well. Some sort of liquid-based, preferably water-based product that can go onto the dome. You can either squirt that straight onto the dome like this. So that's probably enough for under my chin. Or you can pop a little bit onto your hand, and if you're going to pop it on your face, you can pop it straight onto the skin on your face, wherever you want to target the area. What's great for me, particularly with my turkey neck, and I'll just move my head out of the way, is I also added a drop for my own treatment of the Kathy Organics Skin Firming Oil Concentrate. You don't need a huge amount, but what's great is that as the machine heats up, it actually opens up your pores and it allows any oils or serums to go a little deeper. There you go, 2 drops, 3 drops there. It goes a little deeper into the skin, meaning that it delivers the nutrients on a much deeper level. So to show you how it works, I've got it plugged in. You basically push that power button, and I want to pop on the infrared, so the lights are lighting up there. And then I'm going to put the ultrasonic on high. And if you have a look just here, you'll notice the radio frequency or the electricity is starting to come through, and it's basically making that vibrate. That's going to connect to my skin and essentially help send those rays through my skin, through the dermal layers of my skin, down onto that deeper level where that radio frequency will start to do its work. So when it comes to my turkey neck, all I need to do is pop that on there and set my timer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes a day is the maximum for one targeted area. I usually do between 5 to 10 minutes a day. That's enough on my turkey neck. And you don't want to use the machine on your body for more than 30 minutes a day. Now remember, take measurements and take before and after photos so you can chart your progress.